On this episode, we're taking you to Carnival.
Let's see what Carnival's all about.
We'll party in the streets before heading back on board Calypso.
Putting up our mainsail.
Today we are going to teach Trevor how the busing system in Grenada works.
We're also going places while using Grenada's wild public busing system.
To fill out paperwork, you can get the local discount. We're going to do some beach fishing.
Come along with us as we do a little sunset fishing before we head off to put our girl on the hard.
We're up in the air.
This is only legal in Grenada.
Yeah.
Welcome to Lazy Gecko Sailing. I'm Brittany, and this is Jeremiah.
I came from the mud.
For 5 years, we've been sailing the world and filming it all for you.
Strong like a tree.
Now come along with us as we head for the Caribbean.
Oh, I've been running.
Make sure to click subscribe so you don't miss any of the fun.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.
We're in the West Indies, baby.
Yeah. Lovely, lovely party.
There's always so much to do, but now it's time for a big yearly event. Are you ready for Carnival?
You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go see what Carnival's all about.
Oh yeah.
Oh crap, look at this guy, come on. Earlier today, the Juve went, started at 4 a.m. and it's crazy, man. People all over the place, party, like loud music, people all like have oil all over their bodies. We've waited for the little break, had a couple drinks, and we've walked outside of our marina and we hear the next parade coming down the street. I think it's gonna be people like dressed up like regular costumes and stuff, and we'll join in, have a good time. And then tomorrow we're supposed to be doing the pretty mas, which is basically like the sexy one.
Well, tonight's another one.
Oh, there's another one tonight, yeah.
And then there's 2 more tomorrow.
Nice.
So tonight's like the glow party one.
Yeah, so you can hear the music in the background in the distance. It's coming down the street, and then everybody just kind of joins in, and then it's like a free-for-all, man. Everybody's together walking down the street.
Carnival only happens once a year. First comes the Juve. It's followed by days of parades. About 20,000 people fly in for this event. It's a big one.
That's awesome. What is that thing? Like a drink maker? How about these speakers?
It's a wild time. Carnival's taken pretty seriously. It was so neat to enjoy their local custom.
All of our Halloween stuff was down here, which is like the deep dark hole, and I always have to ask Jeremiah to help me out. It's only like once a year for each holiday though. There it is in a pile. The kids will be super happy to know that I've pulled this out. We're like in October and we're gonna put up the Halloween stuff and maybe have like a Halloween party. I don't know how they do it in Grenada. Halloween, excited! Yay! Just walked back on the boat from doing some errands this morning, and they are putting up our mainsail. This is super exciting. It had a couple stains and whatever. It needed to be looked at to make sure we didn't need any restitching, and they're raising it now and it looks so much better. The boat sat for a little bit before we bought it, and it kind of collected water and caused a little bit of mildew. We've had the boat for I think about a year now, which is crazy. It went by really fast. So we finally had some time here in Grenada to get it done, and the work was cheaper than in the States, so worked out perfectly. We are on track to pull off the dock here. Tomorrow we'll stage to pull off, and then the next day we pull off. We'll go stage for 2 nights at anchor, and then we haul out for hopefully 5 business days. I know that that could turn into a little bit longer. We'll be getting some things done to the bottom. We aren't sure about the bottom paint. We're gonna take a look when we haul out, but we're gonna get our shaft seal replaced. We use one of those, so that's like a safety thing. Rudder bushing, and we're gonna get our props serviced. Turbulence did our work. We're just waiting for a couple cushions that they redid that were falling apart, and then we'll be all done with that. Really, we have done everything possible. Our list has dwindled down to just getting propane tanks filled for Jeremiah and I. Everything else we can't do until we haul out, so, and that's not even on us. This is all good stuff. We are going to teach Trevor how the busing system in Grenada works. He's ridden the bus, but I'm going to make him do everything. And that way he can go off on his own. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are we headed?
To the bus stop, which is the side of the road.
And then where's our final destination?
Spice and Mall.
All right. Do you know how much it costs to ride the bus?
$2.50 each.
That's right. If you're a kid, I believe it's $1.25, but to make it easy, and that's an EC, so that's under $1 an American. To make it easy, we just do $2.50, and that gives them a little bit more of a tip. So go ahead and count out $2.50 as we're walking. While he's doing that, I'll tell you a little bit about it. Grenada has a busing system. The buses are numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4. They go to all types of different areas. All you really do is stand out on the side of the road. They have recently come up with a rule for safety. You have to be at a bus stop. If the buses stop, they'll get fined. So we just walk out of the marina, go across the street since we're going in that direction, and we hop on a bus. You're usually not waiting more than 2 minutes because there's so many.
I think that's $1.
Yep, they're each $1.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Beautiful.
Right across the street.
You ready? Let's go. Okay.
Anyway,
What bus number are we getting on?
1.
Why's that? Because the destination we're going to. We have to get on number 1 because of where we're going. We're gonna get on number 1 south. If we were to get on number 1 going north, we'd go to the actual bus station, and we could hop on different numbers from there and go to different parts of the island. There it is. Do you know what to do when you're ready to stop? What? No. Do you know when you're ready to stop?
Yes.
You gotta do is keep this real, but a pledge is yes, you do.
Thank you.
Made it.
Yep.
Hi, what do you think? You think you can do it on your own?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy. All right, now we're gonna cross this road. All right. Darn it. So busy. So at the grocery store in Grenada, if you fill out paperwork, you can get the local discount. All you have to do is fill out paperwork, and as long as you're on a boat, bring your boating permit, and they'll give you the locals discount, which I think is about 5%. Right now I'm turning in the paperwork, and I think it's about a week, and I'll get my discount card. I am dropping off the paperwork to get the discount card for being on a boat. And I think, yeah. Oh, it's sweat because it's so hot here. I'm sweating. I thought there was like a fluffy on my face.
Now that that's done, we've decided to relax a bit and hang with the boys for the rest of the day. We have a pool here at the marina. It's perfect for cooling off.
What do you got going on there?
We just restrung Reese's rod.
Strong.
Nice steel leader on it. See how that works out.
What, are we gonna do some beach fishing?
Yeah, some shore fishing.
Shore fishing.
Yeah, let's do it.
Where are we headed, Reese?
Fishing.
What do you got?
Tackle pup.
Jeez, that thing's huge. We found this awesome little private beach just off our marina at the end of the docks. You have to cut through a field and then it's like a sweet little private beach area. We thought it'd be great to bring the boys here and do some fishing, like some shore fishing. So that's what we're doing. It's just about to hit sunset. The pool was awesome and now we are gonna enjoy the evening before we make some dinner.
Are you ready, Mom?
I was born ready.
Oh, my drink's down there.
Your drink's down there?
Yeah. Ah, I see Grandpa.
You do? Let's go see it. Where is it?
Oh, no.
You just hold it and wait. And if the fish starts pulling, you start reeling. It's definitely very windy out here.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's supposed to die down.
So we'll be pulling off tomorrow. We'll be hauling out of here. But I'm happy we didn't because the wind is kicking.
Yeah.
How exactly did you get out here? The rocks are a little furry. That's our home tomorrow night. You ready for that?
I really don't know.
It's only one night and then we haul out. Yeah. You ready for one to bite? What are you gonna do with it?
I'm just gonna pull it out. I'm gonna go. Pull it out
Nice.
and I go. Dad, caught fish.
Do you remember the first fish you ever caught?
Yeah.
What was it?
Black snapper.
That's right.
We definitely don't take this island for granted. Who knows if we'll ever get the chance to come back to Grenada, but for now, this is home, and we love it.
Oh, is that that?
That was good. What do you think?
Yeah.
Woke up this morning, sunrise in my eyes. Just like a new day, a breath of fresh air in my life.
Pulling out of St. George today. We're gonna just go outside and anchor in this anchorage over here. But she is moving.
My boots and briefcase are waiting at the door.
Any luck?
Yeah, I caught 2 fish so far.
Really?
One was some sort of snapper, and another was we don't really know what it is. So, but yeah. Got one. There's that one. Yeah. Go. Is that a red snapper?
Bring it up. Nice job.
Enough fun for now. It was time to get some more work done. We've had a haul out scheduled for a few months now. It was time to go on the hard.
Look, we're up in the air.
This is only legal in Grenada.
Yeah. But here they actually don't let you get off. Thank you.
It's been about 1 year and 3,000 nautical miles since her last haul out. She's dirty, needs a little paint, but doesn't look too bad. One thing we're excited to fix is this bracket behind our bow thruster. It's bent down and is the reason we haven't been able to grab a mooring ball. It's supposed to stop the line from getting hooked. It'll be great to fix it. Coming up on the Lazy Geckos.
Okay, go ahead.
We're both sitting here,
Yes, we're both sitting right here.
obviously. The pole was bent.
This is the rudder stock. It's like kind of bent that way. And there's cracks. You put safety wire through here. This one here is the voltage sensor. Low pressure.
Blonde bombshell.
Hot lady, fart. I'm looking down your shirt.
Now I hear some type of motor.
We're using predict lamp.
Something like that.
Alexa sucks.
We are off to Grenada's brewery.
These are our fermenters when we started. Fuck these too long names on our regulator.
Natural river tubing ever. Oh, that's awesome. This is our new rudder.
Whoops.
Do you know what you're doing?
No. Well, I watched YouTube videos.
Oh, then you must know everything about it.
This is day one of our trip from Grenada back to the United States. Day 10 or 11. And we're still having a pretty good time out here. Well picked up and ended up on our beam. Oh my
We're
god.
gonna navigate through a little area. We are on the East River.
We are coming into Hell Gate.
I hope the anchor holds. Please didn't run. These two are leaving right now.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.